In this video, I'm just gonna discuss human versus AI content and what Google really ranks. Now, I've been doing the human content, also AI content. Now, this blog is run by AI content. Now, you can see some of the blogs are ranking. But yeah, so the thing is, the difference between human and AI content is one, human rights with a personalization, and humans make mistakes. And they have examples, excitement, conversational flow. What else? Low level local language, and then workflow is easy to read. And what else I'm missing? Experience, yeah, experience and persuasive. Yep. So if you add all this with a human touch, then your AI content will reduce the AI influence. So the simple way to do is give this a simple prompt and it will do the thing for you. So that's all.